Is it? Do you agree it is your failure all this while you are in an IDC and you couldn't sort it out? And
That
now
question after me taking over, where is my failure is the best, people will be the president of the association will tell you that whether Glentic has been a failure in IDC or no. But I know from the time I have taken over, first we were in a deficit almost 6 crores. Now without allotting a single plot, within a year and a half, I brought it almost to 10 crores plus. Plus a lot of other issues were resolved. But unfortunately, our CM was the industrial minister, late Parikar, fell sick. And then everything was, nothing was moving as it should be moving. It was in a standstill. So that's it. But now with the newly appointed charge given to Honorable Minister, Mr. Vijay Rani, things will move.
do you believe there should be no more industrial estates should be demarcated till things in the existing industrial estates are put in place? That's what he says. Rani says.
Nothing of that sort. Things are, see, what happened, I think was having a slowdown because first and foremost we had no land, much land. So that's why we were working on the 15% which brought to 7.5%. There too there was some amendment problem done, so that was being rectified. So that is going on, that's in the process, which should take about 3 months. Secondly, we have got the SEZ land now. And with that land, what we have acquired almost about 38 lakhs of square meters. Of course, about 14 lakhs are still in abeyance because they are not given the consent, those two parties. So balance party almost about 24 lakhs of land we have with us, and now we'll be working on it to ensure that we give it to the right entrepreneurs, right industrialists, and create employment and generate revenue for the state of Goa.
Minister says he is in favor of getting good industries on the SEZ land, not malls and all.
मला खयच्या परमिशन दिलं IDC?
Mall na, आमच्याकडे mall ना सध्या. Unless there is going to be chain amendment, but there is no mall as of now.
Infrastructure has been one of the issues people are complaining in industrial estate.
Yes, my friend, absolutely correct. Not as of in my tenure, it was earlier. Plots were given before I could get there, and plots were given allotted without doing any infrastructure. And I was in the minus when I took over, so I have done the infrastructure in most of the estates now, which was required where the plots were allotted, and now things have been moving.
What were the three key issues where you require some streamlining or something?
Main key issue is the power, which a lot of the industrialists and the associations are facing. So that too, we had meetings with the power secretary then, when our late Manohar Parrikar was there, our chief minister. And now again I have briefed my Vishwajit Rani on that. And also earlier we had a meeting with Neela Mohan, the power secretary. And
Industries.
yeah, industries. She was also in charge of this thing, power. Now industries. Now she important industries. So again we're going to take up the matter and ensure that, see, what is important for industry? Power is important. Tomorrow what happened, most of the power which is they consume has been because of deficit, they shifted to domestic and the production gets affected. So that is what we are trying. I've been talking to Honorable CM Pramod and also to Vishwajit investments that we should give them continuous power supply so the production keeps going on. The other is a big loss to them. So that is one key issue over there. For infrastructure, what is that? We have already tapped that source. I've done whatever I could do. Okay. So funds also required, no? And thirdly, there is a shortage of land, which now with SC land coming in and this opening up, the open space opening up in 3-4 months time, we'll be in a position to allot land to the entrepreneurs who need.
IDC will need more 250 crores to repay that loan.
No, we have already taken 200 crores in pay.
आणि 50 आहे पडतील तुमका.
Almost 40-50 हजार पडटले.
ते रिपे करपाक तुमका तितलो त्या रेटीन रेवेन्यू करचो पडटलो. रिपे करपाक. तेका किने प्लॅन?
आम्ही आमचे लँड आहा आम्ही ऑलरेडी कितें करतले आम्ही अबाउट ठरयलें की अबाउट 5 लाख लँड आमी ऑप्शन करून ते आमी रिपे करतले.
फुल अमाउंट रिकवर जाता.
वय फुल अमाउंट रिकवर जातले.
So with opening of this open space